Want to automate your workflows with N8N but don't want to rely on the cloud version? Or you are looking for a cheaper alternative? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to self-host N8N on your own VPS with Hostinger. Why Hostinger? The biggest reason is simplicity and the cheaper cost compared to N8N cloud version. A lot of VPS providers expect you to do everything through complicated Linux terminal commands. If you're not comfortable with that, it can feel overwhelming really fast. But with Hostinger, most of the setup is literally just a few clicks inside their dashboard. You can deploy your VPS, manage it, configure settings, all without diving deep into complex server administration. It's beginner-friendly, clean, and straightforward. So instead of spending hours troubleshooting Linux commands, you can focus on what actually matters: getting N8N up and running. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of running N8N on cloud version versus self-hosting it on a Hostinger VPS, so you can choose what's best for your workflow. N8N Cloud Pros. Zero server setup. You don't need to deal with servers, hosting, or any backend infrastructure. Automatic updates. N8N Cloud handles updates and security patches for you. Reliable uptime. Managed hosting means less worry about things going offline. Quick start. You can be building workflows in minutes. N8N Cloud Cons. Monthly cost. N8N Cloud plans can get expensive, especially if you have many active workflows. Usage limits. You're often limited by project/workflow quotas unless you pay more. Less control. You can't tweak server settings or choose your own infrastructure. Data privacy. Your data lives on N8N servers, which may not be ideal if you want full control. Hostinger VPS, self-hosted N8N. Pros. Lower long-term cost. A VPS can be cheaper than paying per workflow every month. Full control. You manage the server, choose versions, backups, security settings, and storage. No workflow caps. Run as many automations as your server resources allow. Your data stays yours. Everything is on your own instance. Hostinger VPS Cons. Maintenance. You're responsible for updates, backups, and server security. Learning curve. There's a bit more learning involved if you've never self-hosted before, but it's totally manageable. So which one should you choose? If you want zero setup and don't mind paying for convenience, N8N Cloud is great. But if you want full control, lower costs over time, and no workflow limits, self-hosting 8N on a Hostinger VPS is often the smarter choice, especially if you're building serious automation workflows. Alright, now that you know the difference, let's get into the setup. Click the Hostinger link below to get to this offer. We are going to deploy N8N in one click. By self-hosting, we have unlimited workflows, unlimited concurrent executions, and access to community nodes. I am choosing the KVM2 plan. It has 2 vCPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB disk space, and 8 TB bandwidth. This should be enough for starting with N8N, but we can always upgrade if needed and swap between the plans. We have multiple options. If you choose 1 month, the price is higher. For the 12 months plan, it goes down to $7.99 per month. For the 24 months, it goes down even more. The choice is yours. I will go with the 12 months plan. If you use the link below, you get an additional 20% discount. It is up to you if you want to get the daily backup as well. Choose a server location. I will go with United States. Make sure you select N8N for the operating system. Click Continue. You need to register for an account. After registration, make the payment and click Get Started. Generate a password for your VPS and click Next. You can choose the malware scanner because it's free. Now we need to wait for the installation. The installation is done. This is your VPS dashboard. For accessing your personal N8N in browser, click on Manage App. Let's set up an owner account. Fill up the form. You can get paid features for free by entering your email address. Get the license key from your email and activate it. We've successfully installed N8N on Hostinger Cloud. Now you have your own self-hosted automation system, no monthly limits, no workflow caps, and full control over your data. Now you're ready to start building powerful workflows, whether that's automating emails, connecting APIs, building AI agents, or creating full business systems. Let's learn how to update our N8N in VPS. Click on Terminal. Copy the following command. Paste it into your VPS terminal. Copy the next command. Paste it into the terminal and hit Enter. Continue with the last two commands of copy and paste. If you enter Docker PS command, you will see that our newly updated container with N8N is live and working. N8N is updated and is on the latest version.